This is the story of Cinderella, a character study. So we're going to look at Cinderella herself and talk about what this word means, a character study. Here is Cinderella. What do we know about her? We can see that she's cleaning the floor, probably doing other things, but here is Cinderella. What do we know about her? Here are some adjectives to describe Cinderella. They are not all true. Beautiful, angry, short, busy, nice, mean, kind, sweet, kind again, terrible, fast, horrible. So I just chose adjectives, but they are not all true in describing Cinderella. When we describe a character, we need to show the evidence. Where is your evidence to show that Cinderella is beautiful? If you think she's mean, where is your evidence to show she's mean? If you think she's kind, where is your evidence in the story to show that she's kind? The same for sweet and horrible and any other adjective that you want. You still need to have evidence from the story to back it up. Cinderella's character. To get evidence, we go back through the story to see what Cinderella does or does not do to support your choice. You all know the story of Cinderella because we watched it last week. So from the story, we know that Cinderella did all the housework. She worked from morning till night. She did not say anything bad about anyone. She tried to help her stepmother and her stepsisters. She did not ask for anything in return. She was not mad at her stepmother or stepsisters. There's a whole lot more we know. So how would you describe her character? Go back to slide 4. Beautiful, angry, short, busy, sweet, kind, mean, nice. Where is our evidence to support that? So I have chosen one adjective to give you an example. So my adjective is Cinderella was hard-working. My evidence for her being hard-working is Cinderella cleaned day and night. That's working all day and all night cleaning. So what I want you to do is, in your writing book, set your work out like this. You can choose 4 adjectives to describe Cinderella and then tell me where you get your evidence from. You can choose some from here. If you don't agree, you can find some of your own. Because hardworking is not here. But I could have said she was busy. She worked from morning till night. So that is your task, to get your writing book out. Write Cinderella as your title. That's in the very first one, Cinderella. And then set your work out like this. You need 4 adjectives to describe Cinderella and state your evidence for your choice. And then you upload it to Seesaw. Now this is part 1. There is a part 2 as well. So start off with this one.